Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan mga goddess ko? So, yeah, another reading na naman tayo today for the water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. No? So, kamusta kayo dyan mga water signs natin? No? Let's see anong meron sa mga water signs natin. Love reading tayo today. And of course, no, let's see anong message, motivational message from your inner self. No? Ano yung mga kailangan yung marinig the message, no? From your inner self. And of course, no, ang pinaka-importante is message advice from the universe, no, ng ating source, no, kay God, of course. No, so yeah, let's start agad-agad, no, with you, Cancer, no. So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Cancer natin, no? So, let's see what's the message, no, from your inner self, no? Ano yung kailangan mong marinig, no, from your inner self, right? No, tingnan natin. So, you have this, no, make your dreams happen, no? So, for some of you, right, no, Cancer, no, sinasabi ng iyong inner self is, do the work na, no? Wag nang masyadong puro ano na lang, pangarap na lang. Alam mo sa sarili mo, kaya mo tong maging totoo, right? No, for some of you, right? No, na if you will believe that nothing is impossible, right? No, with God, of course, right? No, nothing is impossible. Just have faith, no? So sinasabi ng inner self mo dito, no, make your dreams happen. Make your dreams come true, right? No, alam mo kasing magiging hindi imposible na magiging totoo ito, right? No, if you will just do the work, no, mga Cancer natin, right? No, so your inner self is encouraging you, no, to make a step to this, no, to have this dreams to into reality, no, something like that, no, mga Cancer natin, right? No, so let's see, no, person on your mind, no, let's see sino ba ang nasa isip ninyo, who are you dealing with, no, mga Cancer natin, right? No, kuha tayo ng 3 cards here, no, for Cancer, please. Person on your mind, no, tingnan natin for Cancer. So, you have this glasses, black or African, no, American, and then tall. No, so, for some of you, no, the person you are dealing with is wearing some glasses. And again, no, vice versa ito, no. Pwedeng kayo itong ano rito, right? No, yung nakukuha natin na character or traits here, right? No, so yeah, there is someone here, no, who wears glasses, no, literally, no, maybe for fashion only, no, fashion purposes, or literally na medyo malabo ang mata, no, for some of you. And then for some of you, right, na this person is also, no, black skin, or yeah, no, black skin, or foreigner, no, black American, no, something like that, no, or yeah, no, or may black skin lang talaga siya, right? No, mga Cancer natin. And also, no, tall, no, so talagang mas matangkad sa inyo tong person na ito, right? No, this person, right? No, so yeah, no, kung sino lang makaka-resonate here, no, or kung you are dealing with a foreigner, no, also, no, with dark skin, no, something like that, no. So what else, no, ano pang meron pagdating sa sitwasyon ninyo, no, let's see anong sitwasyon meron sa inyo, no, mga Cancer natin. Let's see, kuha tayo ng 3 cards here for you, Cancer. Anong sitwasyon meron sa inyo for Cancer, please? So you have this, no, compromise, making changes, soulmate, everlasting, and then inspiration, no, music. No, so ang nakikita ko rito, no, for some of you, Cancer, no, you want something, no, with this person, no, parang ang nafe-feel ko rito, no, you want something na may magbago, no, within the both of you, right? No, for some of you, Cancer. And with this music, no? Siya yung inspiration nyo, no? Kapag nakakarinig kayo ng music, right? No, maybe, kasi may soulmate dito, no? Maybe may soul tie kayo ng person na to. Or you feel that this person is your soulmate, right? No, for some of you, no? So, maybe may soul tie kayo, right? No, may spiritual connection sa inyo. And with the music here, right? No, nagko-connect kayo through music, right? No, for some of you, mga Cancer, parang with the music, pag nakakarinig kayo ng mga kung ano mga kanta, no, ay naaalala or siya agad yung naiisip ninyo, no, pumapasok agad sa isip. At nagiging inspiration niyo itong tao na ito or vice versa, right? No, this person. So, yeah, no, may strong connection and you want some changes to happen, no? Something like that, no, with the connection that you had or you have in this person, no, to this person rather, no, mga Cancer natin, right? No, what else? Tignan pa natin, no, ano pang sitwasyon meron sa inyo, no, mga Cancer natin. Let's see. Ano pang meron, no, sa sitwasyon ninyo ng person na ito. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards for Cancer, please. For Cancer. So, you have this, no, ano ito? You have this 3 of Pentacles in reverse. The Hierophant. And then, 8 of Pentacles, no? So, ang nakikita ko rito, no, mga Cancer natin, right, no? Both of you, no, kumbaga parang both of you are both working hard into something, no? Parehas kayo, no, ng energy ng tao na to, no? With the Hierophant, talagang may strong connection, no, sa inyo ng tao na ito, no, mga Cancer natin. So, with the 3 of Pentacles in reverse, no, right? No, right now, no, parang you are disconnected with this person. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? And both of you are focusing on your growth, your stability, no? Something like that, no? Pares kayong nag-work hard, no? Something like that, no, mga Cancer natin, right? No? Even though na you have this strong connection, you feel this strong connection, you are both choosing na to focus, no, sa inyong mga kanya-kanyang sarili, no, mga Cancer natin, no, para sa inyong stability, no, something like that, no. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, right? No, merong disconnected or sabihin natin na with the 3 of Pentacles in reverse kasi ang nakikita ko, no, no partnership, no, disconnected kayo sa isa't isa, but then with this the Hierophant, no, strong yung connection, no, you still feel each other, no, even though you are apart, no, something like that. So, yeah, no, ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no, ang mga Cancer natin, right? No, and this person is really, no, napakasipag na tao, no, really working hard, no, for his or herself, no, para sa kanyang growth, no, or yeah, both of you, no, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no, mas nafe-feel ko na parehas kayo, no, na kung ano yung ginagawa nyo, parang you are mirroring din, no, maybe for some of you, you're not just a soulmate, no, a twin flame din, no, a connection, right, no, yeah, no, kasi you are mirroring each other, no, kung ano yung ginagawa ng isa, no, ganun din, no, so both of you, no, are working hard, no, for yourselves, no, something like that, no? So let's see what's the future outcome, no, sa inyo ng person na ito, right? No, let's see future outcome or action. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng 1 card for you, no, Cancer. Let's see. So, yeah, no, the Lovers, no, really talaga meron kayong soulmate connection ng tao na to, no, and in the near future, no, you will be together, no, with the Lovers here, right, no, yeah, talagang maybe you are kumbaga, pinaghahandaan niyo yung isa't isa rin, no? Something like that, no? Unconsciously, no? Something like that. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito. No? Unconsciously, you are getting ready, no, for each other, no? And in the near future, no, outcome is kayo talaga, no, ang ending, no? Or kayo yung magkakaroon ng relationship, no? Something like that, right? No, at yeah, there is really a strong connection here, no, mga Cancer, and you really feel that, no, mga Cancer, both of you, no, mga Cancer natin, right? No, so let's see what's the message advice sa'yo ni Universe, no, mga Cancer natin. Let's see message advice for you ni Universe, right? Cancer, kuha tayo ng one card here for Cancer. So you have this, no? Flowers need time to bloom. So yan, so ayun yung nakikita ko rito, right? No, you are working hard right now, no, for yourself, for your stability, no, something like that, right? No, mga Cancer, and in the right time, no, makikita mo, no, it will bloom, no, like a flower, no. Lahat ng pinaghihirapan mo right now, lahat yan, no, magkakaroon ng provision, no, in the right time, no. So wag kang mapagod, no? Wag kang mainip, no? Your flower will bloom, no? Ayun yung promise sa iyo ni Universe, right? No, mga Cancer natin, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no. Parang Universe is this promise na parang meron siyang sinabi sa iyo na may pinarami sa iyo si Universe, and this will come true, no? Something like that, na basta gawin mo yung dapat mong gawin, no? Something like that, mga Cancer natin, right? No? At makikita mo, no, kung ano yung pinangako sa iyo ni Universe ay mangyayari at mangyayari. Basta ikaw, gagawin mo din yung part mo, no? Something like that. And all will soon to, di ba, you will see your harvesting time, no, in the right time, of course, right, no, in the divine timing then, of course, right, mga Cancer natin. So alam mo na rin yun, no, mga Cancer natin, right, no. So yeah, napakaganda naman ng inyong reading, right, mga Cancer natin, no. So yeah, that's it for you, mga Cancer. So I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa inyong reading. So huwag kayong maiinip at magpapagod, right, no. Continue nyo lang working hard, no, for this, no, sa inyong dreams, right? No, make it come true. Alam mo mangyayari yan. Basta wag kang mapapagod, wag kang maiinip, no? Something like that, mga Cancer natin. So yeah, that's it, no? God bless you all, and thank you for watching, Cancer. So yeah, no, let's continue with you, Scorpio. So kamusta kayo dyan, mga Scorpio natin, no? So let's see what's the message message or motivational message, no? Kailangan mong marinig na message from your inner self, no, mga Scorpio natin. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Scorpio. What's the message from your inner self, no? So you have this. You never fail until you stop trying. So for some of you, nakikita ko rito na parang napanghihinaan kayo ng loob into something, right? No, so kumbaga parang inuunahan nyo na agad na parang nagde-negative agad kayo, no, Scorpio, right? No, but then sinasabi ng inyong inner self here is hindi mo pa nga natatry, right? No, and iniisip mo nang mag-fail, no? So wag mong isipin na mag-fail ka, no? Just be positive, no? Something like that. But then if, diba, you will never know, no? Unless you will try it first, right? No? So kailangan mong gawin muna, no? Bago mo malaman yung resulta, of course, no? Hindi mo malalaman yung resulta, hindi mo magagawa, no? Or sabihin natin na whatever is the result, right? No? At least you tried, no? Diba? Something like that, no? Ang mas maano doon, yung mag-fail ka talaga is yung hindi mo nga tinaray, no? Hindi mo tinaray at all, right? No? So sinasabi ng inner self mo dito na itry mo, gawin mo, no? Right? No? Stop sabihin natin na being negative, no? Jumping into conclusion to agad, right? No, without solving it or without doing the procedure, no? Something like that, no? Mga Scorpio natin. No? So ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no? So sinasabihan ka rito ng inner self mo na um, huwag kang mag-judge muna. Gawin mo muna, no? At makita mo ano yung resulta. And be ready, of course, no? Whatever the result of this, right? No? At least you tried, no? Mga Scorpio natin, right? No? So, let's see the person on your mind, no? Sino ang nasa isip niyo? Who are the person? No? Or, I mean, who is the person that you are connected with, right? No? Mga Scorpio natin, right? No? Kuha tayo ng 3 cards here for you, Scorpio, no? The person on your mind, no? Person you are dealing with, no? Mga Scorpio. So, let's see. So, you have this, no? Exaggerated features. Tribal. Laging lumalabas yung tribal, no? And baby face, no? So for some of you, no, the one you are dealing with is has this exaggerated features, no? Not exactly exaggerated na. Parang for me, no, ang nakikita ko na exaggerated dito, parang pinapapangit niya yung sarili niya or hindi siya sabihin natin this person is contented or not contented to his or herself, no? Physically, no? Something like that, no? With the exaggerated features. Parang ang nakikita ko rito, no? Kung magme-makeup man ito, no? Parang hindi maganda. Parang for me, this person is mas maganda yung simple lang siya, right? No? But then, ini-exaggerate niya yung kanyang features na yung kumaga, parang para sa kanya kasi parang nakikita niya yung sarili niya ng pangit siya. Kaya to the point na marami siyang ginagawa or nilalagay para maging maganda siya. But then ang mas nakikita ko rito is this person has this looks, no? Simple but then beautiful, no? Ayun ang nakikita ko rito, no? To the point na parang siya mismo yung nagpapapangit sa sarili niya, right? No, hindi niya nakikita how beautiful she or he is, no? Something like that, no? This person. And with the tribal here, no? Maybe this person is, traditional one, no? May mga belief to na all this, no? Something like that with the tribal. Or mahilig lang to sa mga ethnic something. Or, no? Parang something na, no? Tribal, no? Parang, siya, no? May mga sarili siyang paniniwala. Very, sabihin rin natin conservative for some of you. And then, baby face, no? So, sabi ko nga, di ba? Sabi ko nga is, hindi niya nakikita how beautiful he or she is, right? No? With the baby face here, no? Makikita mo na maybe, hindi na siya ganun kabata, but then, she or he still has this, young looking, no? Something like that, no? Mga Scorpio natin. So, ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no? For some of you, no? The person you are dealing with, no? Mga Scorpio natin. So, let's see what else, no? Sa iyong person, no? Sa inyong sitwasyon. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards pa, no? For you, Scorpio. Sitwasyon ninyo ng person na ito, right? No? Let's see. Ano bang meron sa sitwasyon ninyo? So, you have this 6 of Wands, Page of Cups, and then King of Pentacles. So, ang nakikita ko dito, no, the person or dealing na current situation or sitwasyon ninyo ng tao na ito, right? No, ang nakikita ko dito is with the 6 of Wands here, no, ang nakikita ko parang this person is looking back, no, from the past, no. Parang meron siyang mga binabalikan from the past, no. Kumbaga ay nakikita mo nakalingon siya, no, or maybe for some of you, no, may mga nililingon pa to. right? No, literally, lumitingin pa sa iba, right? No? But then kasi nakikita ko dito is, yan, no? Kasi, yeah, hindi naman niya kasama tong isang babae, right? No? But then, ang nakikita ko talaga, this person is looking back, no, from the past, no? Parang nakalingon siya sa nakaraan, or this person is still dealing with the past, no? Something like that, no? Ayun yung nakikita ko rito. Or this person is from your past, the one you are, the person on your mind is from the past, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito. And this person has something to offer, no? And with the Page of Cups here, no? Wants stability with you, no? This person. And with the King of Pentacles, no? Ang nakikita ko, no? Napaka-stable din ng tao na ito, right? No? Marami siyang kayang i-offer for you, no? Mga Scorpio natin, no? Or vice versa, na pwedeng ikaw ito na gustong may i-offer, no? Ikaw tong stable na rin, no? For some of you, no? So, ayun nakikita ko rito, no? Abundance, no? With the fish, right, no? Wants to offer abundance, no? Something like that, no? Stability nga, no? Of course, right, no? At ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? You are still dealing or thinking of this person from the past, no? This person is from the past na you are dealing with, no? Mga Scorpio natin, no? Kung just take what's resonate with you, no? Mga Scorpio natin, right? No? So, what else, no? The person on your mind, no? Ano yung pang sitwasyon ninyo, no? Tingnan natin. Person on your mind, no? Ano pang meron sa sitwasyon ninyo? Mga Scorpio natin. Let's see. So you have this, the Empress in reverse, the Fool, and then Page of Swords in reverse. No, so for some of you, no, nakikita ko rin dito, no, for some of you, the Empress in reverse, no, and the Fool, and Page of Swords in reverse. Ang nakikita ko rito, no, this person, no, whoever it is, no, or vice versa, is, this person is, ano no, sabihin nating, in a situation, no, parang nasa isang sitwasyon siya na parang, waiting into something, no, with the Fool, no, parang matagal siyang naka-stuck there, right, no, kung makikita mo the Fool here, right, no, kumbaga, dito makikita mo, ito siya, example lang, kasi di ba, ano ba ito? I don't know kung duck ba ito, right, na medyo maano, but then di ba, parang, nakikita mo rito is may dagat, right, no, kumbaga, siguro, for some of you, no, parang feeling niya hindi siya makalangoy, no? Even though parang duck naman siya, or kung duck man is one, no? Something like that, right, no? He or she has the tools, no? Marunong naman siya sa dagat, sa tubig, no? He can swim, no? Right, no? But then, afraid to dive in. Or, if not, di ba, meron namang parang salbabida dito, right, no? But, hindi niya ginagamit, no, para makaalis siya sa sitwasyon, right, no? So parang nakikita ko rito, no, this person is being stuck into a situation, no? Something like that, mga Scorpio natin, no? So ayun yung nakikita ko dito, no, with the Empress in reverse, no, this person is being sad, no, lonely kind of person, right, no? Yeah, kasi pag, 'di ba, si the Empress ano to no, kumbaga, ano to no, still in pain tong tao na ito, right? No, this person. And with the Page of Swords in reverse, hindi siya wala siyang magawa no, sa sitwasyon niya ngayon, no? Something like that, no? Napaka, emotional niya right now, no? Something like that, no? Meron siyang mga pinagdadaanan, no? Sa kanyang sitwasyon right now, no, mga Scorpio natin, no, this person, and wala siyang magawa, no, in this situation, no, something like that, even though with the Fool here na she or he has all the tools, no, to get out. But then I think this person is choosing to stay, no? At parang from that, wala siyang magagawa but to stay to that kind of situation, no? I don't know, no, anong nangyayari sa person na ito, right? No? So, kayo lang din nakakaalam yan, no? But then, this person is being stuck into pain, no? Something, no? Struggling into something, no? Into a situation na hindi siya makaalis or pinipili niya magstay even though na parang masakit na or hurting that person, no? At wala siyang magawa, no? But to stay, no? Still, no? Something like that, no? So, let's see what's the future outcome, no? Sa inyong dalawa. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng one card here for you, no? Mga Scorpio natin. Let's see. Future outcome, no? What's the outcome or action, no? Na mangyayari, no? Let's see. So, you have this now, King of Cups in reverse. No? So, talagang nakikita ko rito na with the King of Cups in reverse, right? No, this person is still, or parang there is no chance still to be together, you know, with the King of Cups in reverse. I mean, Knight of Cups in reverse pala, right? No? With the Knight of Cups in reverse, no? Ang nakikita ko kasi rito, right? No? Kasi, pag ito kasi, no, parang, yeah, parang with this, no, parang with the Knight of Cups, no, but then in reverse, parang impatient na, no, parang there is someone here na impatient and wants to do the work na, wants to come over na, but then, still, no, hindi siya makagawa ng paraan, no, whoever is this, no, ikaw man ito, o ng person na to, still, in the near future, no, may stuck at may stuck pa rin, no, into a situation, even though gusto ng kumilos or kumawala, no, sa isang sitwasyon, no, something like that, no, meron pa rin mga nag-blockages, no, or nagpipigil or nagpapapigil, no, na gumawa ng action, no, something like that, no. So ayun yung nakikita ko rito ng mga Scorpio natin. So let's see what's the message advice for you ni universe, no, mga Scorpio natin. Let's see message advice for you ni universe. Kuha tayo ng one card here for you, Scorpio. So you have this, no, happiness is not the destination, it's a way of life, right? No, so sinasabi dito, parang ang nakikita ko rito is Scorpio is sinasabi dito ni universe to choose happiness, right? No, ano ba yung happiness for you, Scorpio, right? No, ang happiness kasi parang ito sinasabi na sa ni universe dito, no, to be able to live fully, no, sa iyong buhay, to achieve what is really life is, no, is to have this happiness, no, maging masaya habang nasa mundo pa tayo, right? No, hindi, ang happiness kasi is, no, mahirap i-achieve yan. Madaling tumawa, madaling ngumiti, but the real happiness, the true happiness, ay mahirap hanapin, mahirap i-achieve, no, something like that. And you can only achieve that sa iyo mismong sarili, no? Mararamdaman mo yun mismo sa sarili mo, hindi sa ibang tao. Yung happiness is nasa sayo, within you, no? Something like that daw, mga Scorpio. Yung nagpapasaya sa'yo, I mean, yung magiging masaya ka, na nabubuhay ka pa, right? No? Hindi yung masaya ka dahil may kasama kang ganito, kasama mo yung tong person na to, but then you are happy because the happiness is within you, no? Within yourself, no? And that's the reason why you are still living in this world, no? Something like that, if you get me, no? Mga Scorpio natin, no? Kasi ang happiness, hindi natin makukuha yan sa ibang tao. Happiness is within us, right? No? Ang happiness natin ay yung sarili natin na mararamdaman. Iba yung happiness ng sarili mo mismo eh. Iba yung happiness mo na nararamdaman sa ibang tao. Magkaiba yun, no? At yung magiging fulfillment ng iyong buhay sa mundo is when you achieve your true happiness, no, within yourself, no. Mahirap man, napakalalim, but then makes sense, right? No, if you are resonating with me, no. Yung true happiness is within us, within ourselves, right? No, at tayo lang ang makakaranas nun sa sarili natin, yung totoong kasiyahan, yung totoong happiness, no. So sinasabi dito ni universe is yun nga, no, happiness is destination within our life, right? No, mismong sa buhay natin, hindi sa ibang tao, mismong sarili natin, no. So choose happiness always, though. I hope all of us, before we go, before we gone, no, before we left, no, ano ba ito? Before tayo umalis sa mundo na to, no, sana ay ma-achieve natin yung true happiness, no, yung fulfillment ng ating buhay is yun nga, yung genuine na happiness sa sarili natin, something like that, no. So yeah, no, napakalalim, no, mahirap intindihin, but then if you are resonating it, if you understand what I'm saying, no, kahit ako medyo ang hirap i-explain, but then happiness is really, no, hard to achieve, no. Aminin natin yan lahat tayo, no. Hindi ang happiness, hindi lang yung sa ibang tao. Ang happiness is dapat yung nasa sa atin. Happiness na may na-achieve tayo sa sarili natin, happiness na minamahal natin, and ask yourself, no, mga Scorpio natin, in general, all of you mga goddesses ko, if you have this, if you already achieve happiness na ba sa buhay ninyo, right? No, mga Scorpio natin, or still there is emptiness inside of your heart that you are longing, no? Something like that, di ba? So, yeah, that's it for you, mga Scorpio natin, no? So, I hope naka-resonate kayo sa reading niyo today, mga Scorpio natin, no? Napakalalim ng inyong reading, right? No, mga Scorpio. So, yeah, that's it for you, mga Scorpio. So, God bless you all, and thank you for watching, Scorpio. So, yan. No, let's proceed to you, Pisces. So, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Pisces natin? No? So, let's see what's the message, no, from your inner self, no? Anong gustong sabihin, no? Anong kailangan mong marinig, Pisces, no? From your inner self. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng one card here for you, Pisces. What's the message, no, from your inner self? So, you have this, don't quit, no? So, sinasabihan ka rito, no? Huwag kang mawala ng pag-asa, right, Pisces, no? Ano man itong mga pinagdadaanan mo, or ano man itong mga hindi mo ma-solve, nahihirapan ka ng sitwasyon, huwag ka raw susuko, no? Sabi ng iyong inner self here, no, mga Pisces natin, right? No, for some of you na nawawalan na ng motivation, no, sa inyong sarili, right? No, ini-encourage ka ng inner self mo na huwag kang huminto, no, don't quit, no, nasimulan mo na yan. So, huwag kang panghinaan ng loob, no, huwag kang mag-give up, right? No, may tamang panahon for that, no, whatever it is, na mga Pisces natin, right? No, so huwag kang susuko, right? No, nasimulan mo na yan, right? No, at alam kong may magandang resulta yan, no? Kung ano man ito, right? No, na nahihirapan ka na, no? At walang kasing madali, right? No? Lahat pinaghihirapan, at from that may magandang resulta yan, right? Mga Pisces natin. So, huwag kang susuko, right? Sabi ng iyong inner self, right? No, so let's see, no, person on your mind. Tingnan natin, no, anong meron. Tingnan natin. Kuha tayo ng 3 cards here for you, Pisces. Person on your mind, no, the one you are dealing with, right? Let's see. For Pisces. Let's see. So, you have these braids, vibrant apparel, and then oval face. No, so for some of you, no, the person you are dealing with, no, maybe, no, and again, no, vice versa, and no gender tayo here, right? No, maybe for some of you, um, maybe ikaw ito or person mo, right? No, so meron dito, no, mahilig sa braid, no, nagtitirintas ng buhok, right? No, mahilig sa gano'n na style ng kanyang hair. And then for some of you, no, mahilig siya sa mga matitingkad na color like purple, no, for some of you. And with the oval facer, medyo may pagkasabihin natin na mga, kumbaga sa contour, no, may pagka-contouring yung kanyang face, right? No, ma-cheekbone, no, matataas ang cheekbone, no, for some of you, right? No, so and of course, no, parang purple din dito, no? Maybe for some of you, mahilig sa purple tong color, itong tao na ito, no? The person you are dealing with, no? Mga Pisces natin, no? So, yeah, ayan yung mga traits na inyong person, no? The one you are dealing with, no? So, let's see, no? What else, no? Sa inyong dalawa, right? No? Let's see. Kuha pa tayo ng 3 cards here for you, Pisces. For Pisces, please. Ano pang meron for Pisces? So you have this regrets, mistakes, unfinished business, no? Unresolved situation, and then ex-lover, old spark. So yeah, no? The person on your mind or the person you are, di ba? Yeah, on your mind is someone, no? Someone from, someone, no? Your ex, no? Something like that, no? And this person is in regret, no? Or vice versa, right, no? And I think this person is returning, no? Or will return, no? Something like that, no? Mga Pisces natin, no? And, ignite the old spark, right? No, ignites the fire, no, something like that. No, dahil feeling ng tao na ito, no, may mga unresolved issues pa kayo, no, something like that. No, may mga parang yeah, parang for this person is hindi pa kayo tapos, no, something like that, right? No, and this person is in regret, no, because admit niya, no, alam niya may mga mistakes siyang nagawa, may mga kasalanan siyang nagawa sa inyo, right? And I think this person will return, no? Something like that, no? At ignite the old spark, no? Something like that, right? No? So, nasa sa inyo yan, no? Ano bang nangyari, right? No? So, let's see kung tatanggapin nyo pa ulit itong person na ito, right? No? So, let's see. Tignan natin. Ano bang nangyari, right? No? Tignan natin. What else, no? Tingnan natin. Ano ba nangyari sa inyo, no? Ng person na ito. At kayo'y nagkaroon ng separation, no? For some of you, right? Mga Pisces, no? Let's see. Ano bang nangyari? Anong dahilan? Tingnan natin. Tingnan natin. So, you have this ano ito? 3, 6, 9 of Pentacles, 2 of Cups in reverse, and then the Star, no, in the almost reverse there, right? No, so for some of you, no, nakikita ko rito, right, no, nasira yung inyong relationship, right, no, in regards of finances, no, for some of you, nagkaroon ng financial issues, no, sa inyong relationship. Mga isa yun sa naging dahilan ng separation, no, for some of you. Parang I don't know kung anong nangyari, no, mga Pisces natin. Medyo malaking pera ang nawala, no, for some of you. At nasira yung partnership, nasira yung parang pinapangarap ninyong parehas, right, no? That's why nagkaroon ng separation, no? That because of finances, no? Nagkaroon ng issue regarding sa pera. At feeling ko ay malaki-laking pera yung nawala dito or issue ninyong dalawa, no? May kinalaman sa malaking halaga ng pera dito, right? Mga Pisces natin. So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? Kasi parang may something kayo, no, before na parang may binubuo kayong partnership or kung businessman ito, right, no? Maybe for some of you, nag-invest kayo, no? At pangarap niyo parehas ito, no? But then may something na nangyari, no? That's why parang naguho no? Naguho yung pinapangarap ninyo, no? Malaki yung naging damage, no? That's why nagkaroon ng issue, no? Nagkaroon ng gulo and now nagkaroon ng separation, no? And this person, no, is returning, no? Something like that, no? Maybe to fix, no, kung ano man, no, something like that. Or yeah, ito yung nakikita ko na kasi na nangyari from the past, right, no? May kinalaman sa malaking halaga ng pera ng mga Pisces natin. So let's see what's the future outcome, no, sa inyo ng person na ito, right, mga Pisces natin. Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Pisces, no, future outcome, no, ng sa inyo ng tao na ito. Let's see. So, you have this, no, Page of Swords in reverse. No, so, ang nakikita ko rito is, yeah, no, still, no, may mga hindi pa rin unclear, no, unclear, sabihin natin, unclear issues na hindi pa rin, no, parang wala pa rin kasiguraduhan, no. Kung magbabalik man ito, hindi fully 100% yung kanyang mga sasabihin, no? Kung may sasabihin man siya na kung mag-e-explain man itong tao na ito, hindi fully or hindi 100% yung mga explanation niya, no? Merong lacking pa rin, no? With the Page of Swords in reverse, right? Na may mga hindi pa rin siya kayang sabihin na katotohanan, no, sa inyo, no, mga Pisces, regarding that issue, no, something like that, no. So yeah, no, magbabalik siya, but then hindi siya 100% na magiging clear or will not give you 100% clarity about the issue, no, kung ano man ito, if you are seeking for an explanation or reason behind those, no, na nangyari, no, before, no, sa past, no, na nag-cause ng separation, no, sa inyong dalawa, Pisces. So yeah, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, magbabalik, but then hindi 100% will give you clarity, no, about that, no, something like that, no, mga Pisces natin. So let's see, no, what's the message advice for you ni universe, no, mga Pisces natin. Let's see. Kuha tayo ng one card for you, Pisces. Message advice for Pisces. Baby! So, yeah, no? Sorry for that, no? Yung ating cat, yung cat ko. Ginilaw niya yung ating cam. So, yeah, no? Let's get one card here for you. Message advice from the universe, no? For you, mga Pisces natin, right? No? So, let's see. So, you have this, no, your potential is endless. No? So, for some of you, no, sinasabi sa'yo dito ni universe na if ever, no, this person will return, no, hindi mo nakakailanganin itong tao na ito, right? No, ayun yung mas nakikita ko rito, right? No, you have many potential, no, marami kang kayang gawin, and that is endless, no, walang katapusan. Kumaga for you, no, ang mga opportunities for you is endless, no, a lot of opportunities around you, no, mga Pisces natin, and you don't need this person anymore na nag-betray, no, for some of you, right, no, who did mistakes, no, at syempre, no, pag may sabihin natin, lalo na sa kaperahan, no, this person is betrayed you, no, financially, no, something like that, and yeah, kung meron pang ibang dahilan, no. So, that means na you don't need that person, no? So, sinasabi sa'yo dito ni universe to trust yourself, right? No, you have potential, endless potential, and if you will just make it work hard for these potentials that you have, no, you don't need this person anymore, no? Huwag mo na siyang hayaan bumalik pa baka maulit lang ulit, no? Something kasi hindi clear, no? Wala siyang ibibigay na 100% clarity, no, sa naging sitwasyon ninyo before, no? So, yeah, no? So, just believe in yourself, no, that you can do it on your own, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung sinasabi sa'yo dito ni universe, no, mga Pisces natin, right? No? So, yeah, that's it for you mga Pisces natin. So, I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today, mga Pisces natin. So, overall, no, mga water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces, yeah. No, so, iba-iba yung mga sitwasyon ninyo right now, no, mga Pisces na, I mean, water signs. So, yeah, maraming salamat. So, yeah, that's all, no. God bless you all, and thank you for watching Water Signs.